Hello and welcome to this new video on how to get access to TikTok Studio. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. And let's get started. So firstly, you need to go to the search bar of the PC, click on the search bar and use the set to type TikTok and press enter in the keyboard, and the TikTok application will be opened. And you just have to look on the left hand side. There is an live options. Just click on the live, and in order to go live in TikTok, first thing you need to do is reach 1000 followers. That is the minimum criteria, and when you have reached 1000 followers, then your live options is enabled, or you can go live on TikTok. And when you are able to go live on TikTok, after that you will also be able to get access to the TikTok live studio. And there are few requirements that the TikTok will say to you when you have enabled your live feature, and you just have to follow through it and you will be able to access the TikTok Studio. So this is how you can get access to TikTok Studio. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.